Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be preparing a beet and carrot salad for you. And so I have my cooked beets already in here. These were donated from Common Threaded Farm out of Madison County, so kudos to them. These are awesome beets. And I also have my cooked carrots in here too. Okay. And I did 2 carrots because my carrots were a little bit smaller versus 1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my onion. So it calls for onion. So we have our beets, carrots, onion. And then the other 3 ingredients are going to be just simple mayonnaise, pepper, and also salt. Okay. And so I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is such a nice quick salad too, and this is a great time of year to start getting those beets that are in season. Adding in the carrots and beets are great vegetables. We always try to recommend eating from the rainbow, so the more colors that you can incorporate into your meals, the better off you're going to be, just to get all those essential vitamins and minerals that we need. Okay, now I'm going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And to me that looks a bit too much, so I'm actually going to do a little bit less for that. And the last ingredient is going to be some salt. Just about 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit less. And you can serve this warm or cold. I did let my beets and carrots cool down a bit before preparing this. Okay. So here we go, just a basic salad that is beet and carrot. Have a great day, guys.